तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की दस्तक, और कुछ ना जानू, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है, यारा मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है, यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है, यारा मैं क्या करूं. Hi ma'am. What to do when your family and society are against your work? See, there are works that we do or we will be doing in the future, in the near future, that we will be proud of. We will feel confident with that, but the society comes into play. They may not look at our work as something that they wanted for us. Like, for an example, many of us, the society, don't know what affiliate marketing is or what MLM is. Okay, so if we do that and later they come to know that we are doing these things, and of course they may not have the idea, they don't have the idea, then they will demotivate us, say negative things about that, like why are you doing this, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. But they will not say or look from our eyes, they will not feel that how we are feeling, that what we want in our lives. They will only see that what we can achieve for them. The same thing goes with our family as well. It takes a lot of courage and sacrifice, I can say, to convince our family or even the society that what we are doing is the best. What we are doing is by our own will, and no one told us to do this. The society has a habit of just putting their nose into others' business when it is not even needed. So, what we can do is we can simply avoid them, do what we are doing best, and keep on doing, keep on trying harder, and be confident in whatever we are doing or what we will be doing in the near future. And once we establish in our way, in our life, and start earning handsomely, then that society which was negative with you will, will appreciate you. The family who looked down upon you when you wanted something which they didn't want you to do, they will feel proud. The society will not complain anymore because we did not give them a chance to complain. We established ourselves in such a place that no one or not even the society can say anything wrong or negative. Then possibly, yeah, there is a slight possibility that the society will start appreciating us. But again, that's a slight possibility. That's society for you. But family, as I said, will support you after, yes, only after you are established well. So I can say that whatever they say, we can just not heed them, because if we do, we will feel demotivated. You will feel, why are we doing this? And we should all obviously do what they are telling. But that is not life, that's imprisonment. So if you want to live your life, if you want to live up to your goals, your dreams, your ambitions, then take the initiative yourself. The opportunity is right at your door. Don't miss it. Don't listen to what society has to offer, what society has to say, because they will always put you negatively or in a negative place from where you might never return again. So be positive, be confident, and make your goals well, and don't need to listen to the society, or if the family says something which might demoral you. So you cannot avoid family now. So what you can do is try to convince them and try to tell them that what you are doing is for the best and it will give results. Just make sure to convince them this much. For sure, they will support you. Thank you.